Yeah. I come from the city where they lick the molly bags, a place where even kids are fiending for the oxy caps. I used to only care about where the party at. Blacked out on the Penzies up Bacardi Black. Party running from the cops, that's my fucking shoe. You know Blizzard B don't abide by the rules. I said it once before, trying you in your neighbor's pool. Fuck knowledge, fuck college, fuck going to school. So how I'm gonna live? I don't know. Probably do this rap shit, get high off some cactus. Slang and be the practice. Drugs without the taxes. Sound a little drastic. Nah, different tactic. He takes the mic and rips it twice. Will everybody see white? He can't be nice because of pigment. Everyone is ignorant. I spill a pot of coffee on your face and eat some Timbits. I don't record for a week to ask him where the kid bit. So where the fuck he go? Yeah. Chillin' with the others just like Nicole Kidman. To find you with a puddle on the floor, color crimson. Throw you in a garbage bag and stuff you down the chimney. Amos in the back, hit you with the scar Disney. Name dropping, pill popping. Fuck swag, still shopping, still copying. The t-shirt still cotton. I'm real talking. Give the mic, I will drop it. I still talk shit like Chris Walken. I'm serious though. You're basically telling me shit that Siri would know. This rap is in my bloodstream, period flow. Lyrical pro, I drown you in a cereal bowl. Yo, he's getting pretty violent. Don't you hear the sirens? Call his brother Cyrus. Wait, check his iris. Still tripping, still spitting, sicker than a virus. Better cut your hair off before you catch some typhus. I mean it. Yeah, my flow contagious, kinda like a cat with mange. Trying to calm my style, but I'm the only reason they play this. Blaze it, purple got me high as a spaceship. I don't give a fuck about your bitch because you're looking basic. Savage with the 4 eyes, about to get the LASIK. Prescription medication for the native will stay sick. This that cow flow, make your nipples hard. Fuck my credit card with my nickels on. Time to settle down when that pistol arched. I'm dead to the beat, my sicko boss. Always been a mischievous kid. Lick the clip, pistol whip, give me the mic, I'll rip that shit. I ain't even gotta spit a full 16. My flow more lethal than M16s. MySpace rapping at age 16. I do this for fun, I will never succeed. How you finna act open, you never sit lean on.